Hey, what's up? So I traded a couple stocks today. This is my worst one. I don't know why I keep losing money on TAL. So I took it short, seeing that it's about to break this level. It looked like this is the area where it gets stuck at, pop back up, taking a second shot at it. Took it short, set my stop loss right above the two EMAs, right above I guess here it's the 9 EMA. Popped up above that, so I got stopped out. I tried it a second time since it's making a lower high. And then I set it right above the SMA and I got stopped out again. Right after that stop out, literally like maybe 5 minutes later, it then collapsed all the way down to here. Now it's moving back up, but this is a pretty strong stock. So on the 5 minute, it basically held this level 49.06. So it is what it is. Lost money on that. And then the other stock that I lost on was LOPE. I went long right after it went past the SMA, thinking it would continue to make a trend towards back to VWAP, or at least this level. But it dropped. As you can see, I set my stop loss below the two EMAs, and then I got stopped out. It did go back up again. I might have taken it again if I was watching this stock, but I wasn't, so I missed this. Now it looks like it may actually go to see if it would break the. Maybe I should go in. I'm gonna take 200 shares. Set my stop loss at 83.95. No, 83.90. 83.90 would be good. Now set it at 86 would be good. Let's see what happens. I may get stopped out on this one because this is coming down, but we'll see. So it took a small size 200 shares and LOPE now. We'll see how that pans out. Probably will get stopped out. And then I did XLRN. Small size. This stock, the spread was very, very high. I took 100 shares. That's it. And inside my stop loss down here, it went up. Hit this level and it kind of looked like it was going down, so I took out a partial there. It went up, held this level for quite a while, and so I moved my stop loss all the way up here to the SMA, which actually ended up corresponding to this level more or less. I did drop below that and then I got stopped out, so that was that. And then the best trade I had was BWA, so I took it long here, set a stop loss right below this level, 34.9. It went up. I took some partials here because I didn't want it to just collapse and drop back down. So I took a partial here, another partial up here, hit this level, took a partial, and looked like it was staying here. So I took a partial. And then on the way down, I started to add back all of these because I thought that it was going to hold this level. It held it for 1, 2, 3 minutes. So I added back 100 shares, 100 shares, 100 shares, and then my final stop loss was here. That was a break even. It dropped to this level and I was holding it, looking on level 2. It looked like it was holding this level for a while, so I added back another 1,000 shares here, set my stop loss right below the SMA, so if it does drop, I'll lose some money but not give back all my profit. So I went back 1,000 shares, it popped up, held this level, on the way back up I scale out some, and then I set my stop loss, moved it up a bit, so now it's above the break even. I'll get back some profit even if it drops. Continues to move up, hits this line. I don't know if it will hit this line and collapse. So I took some partial here, another partial, and then the final piece I got out at the SMA. So that was it. This is my best trade because basically now, I basically traded 2,000 shares of this, even though it was 1,000 each time. So that was the best. So I'm gonna go back to LOPE just to see how this is trending. Maybe I'll just let this play out live and see what happens, but yeah, let's see if it will go back up to 86. May take a while. But anyway, yeah, so that's my trade. We'll see if this will go out. I took small size, only 200 shares. Spread is not that favorable, so we'll see how this goes. All right, hope everyone does well.